2007 bonus reel, a collection of miscellaneous mini stuff. Miniology, sponsored by the Redwood Empire Mini Enthusiast Club, Motion Minis, Google and YouTube, where we upload our stuff, the Electronic Crayon, which is Califzeph's company, myself and Rich, Romeo Mike, Maverick Minis, MOA San Francisco, and everybody else gathered from the internet. There's a lot of setup and preparation that goes into these runs. And here's a beginning of the Marin Headlands run. You see all the minis kind of lining up and getting ready to go. You got classics, you got new minis. So once we're lined up, off we go. And we just couldn't have asked for a better day. The sun was out, it was nice and warm, cool little breeze. Other than a few bicycles, the roads weren't busy. Pretty nice. Unfortunately, my co-pilot, Renee, she's not doing too well with twisty roads.
I get car sick.
Although she could do some video for me, we decided that she'd probably go these solo or find someone else to do video with me. So anyone out there who likes minis and wants to help with the podcast by either driving or doing video, photos, etc., then please shoot me an email. Thanks.
I can't get them out of your rearview mirror. I can't without undoing my seatbelt and hanging out the window like a monkey.
Don't worry, I'll edit out all your comments. Unless they're funny.
Don't even tell me.
One thing you'll notice is the speed of the video. We do this a lot here. We have this sped up video, which is about 2 or 3 times faster than normal. Why do we do this? Well, because there's some great twisty roads, and you probably don't want to sit for an hour or so watching us drive, so we thought, hey, why don't we just speed it up, and then you can see the roads and see us driving, and it looks kind of cool because it looks like we're going really fast. I mean, we are going fast, but this is insanely fast. One problem is sometimes technically you get a lot of bumps. You get bugs on the windscreen, which is what happened to me. On the forums, you'll see one of my taglines is, "Don't follow my lines, I'm videotaping." Or you get stuff like this happening. Not to mention the technical difficulty of trying to drive and hold a camera at the same time. That's a mini turn. Sometimes great stuff happens on the runs that we just don't capture on video, like this one. There's a Harley club going on the same road as our mini club. It looked so cool having the Harleys and minis all interspersed, but alas, we didn't get much footage of it. Here's the horse, by the way. So here she is. She's a New Zealand car. It's not a whole lot of rust. There we go. Has hydroelastic suspension. This kind of worries me. Some bits there, but okay. Someone was gonna have to let me know whether they think that's hydroelastic or not, because they said it was, but it doesn't look like it to me. Maybe I just don't know enough about it.
On Saturday, June 2nd, Mini Mania hosted their annual open house in beautiful Nevada County, California. Hi, I'm Rob Califzeph Saunders reporting for Miniology.com. Today's event was a major fundraiser for the American Red Cross. Hey look, it's MC² magazine!
Really? Wow!
We counted over 100 Mini Coopers in attendance, everything from the old classics to the very latest brand spanking new 2007 models. The Mini Mania store was open with all kinds of goodies for people to acquire. A barbecue lunch was arranged by a local Lutheran youth group to raise money for the homeless. There were fans and minis of every shape, size, and color. A car show was held and prizes were awarded for various categories. There was slot car racing to benefit the American Red Cross. In the afternoon, we headed off for a beautiful scenic drive through Nevada County, checking out some of the historical sites along the way. We stopped ever so briefly at the Empire Mine in Grass Valley before heading off to Bridgeport. There were a couple of mini-worthy roads along the way. The rest stop at Bridgeport provided us with a place to stop for a few minutes before heading back. There is some interesting scenery in this part of the country. The The local law enforcement officials were very interested in our activities. Back at Mini Mania, I lost the prize raffle. Again, but I'm glad Melissa won. You go, girl. We had a beautiful day in Nevada City, thanks to Mini Mania. Until next time, this is Rod Califzeph.